You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly from anatomy, one of 3 muscles of the thorax. If you want to learn more names from anatomy, medical terms, stay tuned. There are 2 different pronunciations indeed. Serratus, that's your more British English pronunciation, or how to pronounce serratus. It's also pronounced in the US, in particular, American English, serratus or serratus, as the Americans would say. So yes, 2 correct pronunciations in English, how to pronounce serratus or serratus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.